What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So this is for all you truck guys out there, especially guys that have tonneau covers like I have here. I got this solid tonneau cover on the back of my 2022 Toyota Tundra pickup truck. By the way, it's got a 3.5-inch lift, 35-inch tires. Looks pretty good, huh? But anyway, if you're a truck guy and you use your truck bed like a giant trunk, you know, a lockable area here for all your grocery shopping and whatever, if you do that, one of the things you come across is if you load it up and put stuff all the way to the back, you can't get it, right? When you get home, you gotta either crawl inside there into this little tight space to get everything, or you have to undo the locks and open this up to get your stuff that you put all the way in the back. The solution to that is a truck bed slider. So I got this Truncktray from Truncktray.com. The guys at Truncktray.com sent this out to me for review. Thank you, guys. So let's get into it. I'm going to show you the Truncktray from Truncktray.com. Haha, look at that. Very nice. All right. It's got some wheels here that'll slide on the back. There's actually there's really not a whole lot to it. You just have the tray and the tracks for the most part. We got some rubber liners. We got some rails with some 3M sticky tape. Alright, so you're going to identify which channel you're going to glue those bars into. I'm just using one of these dead blow hammers. So as you can see, you have all this space here that you could use to load your truck. And you can also use the space all the way in the back. Look at that. So I went to Costco and picked up a couple cases of water. This is pretty common. You can load it all up. Put it in like that. And push it back until the magnet catches the back of the wall there on the track. And then put your webbing inside. Now you load up the rest of your groceries right here. You could use the entire rear of your truck without having to reach all the way inside. That's pretty nice. Again, they have a solo model, which is just the tray by itself, so it's really small and compact. Then they have the compact model, which is what I have. It folds out to a little extension, so it can still fold in half, and then you can take it out. And then you have the XL, which is the model has a fold-out extension that's bigger than the one that I have. Matter of fact, let's show you what it looks like. So I'm going to pull it out all the way here. Take the water off. This locking bar here, it has to be in the center off to the right. I kind of made a mistake installing it. I put it right down the center to the left. And the reason why it needs to be to the right, I'll show you. This is the center hump on my truck bed right here. See that hump right there? That's the center hump. And when I first installed it, I put the locking bar to the left of the center hump, which is incorrect. I don't know why I did that. I just did it by instinct. And the reason why that's incorrect is because if you look all the way back here along the wall of your bed, there is a bar that goes up and then a plate to the left. And you want that plate to be more centered. So what I did was, since I had it here on the left of the hump, that plate was more to the left. And if you look here, there's a magnet right there. So I actually found out that that was incorrect. I need that magnet to engage with that plate. So what I did was I took a heat gun and I just heated it up nice and slow. I heated it up, took my time. I didn't want to bend the bar. And it liquefied. It didn't really liquefy, but it softened up the 3M tape that's underneath. And then I was able to just pull it right up and then push it right back down on the correct channel. So the channel to the right of the center hump is the correct one, because then that locates that plate right in the middle of your truck bed where it needs to be. So that's just a little tip there. And then you'll line it up. You'll line it up just like that. You'll take your strap, make sure it stays back over here with you, and you unfold if you have the folding version like I have. And there you go. We're all set. Let me clean up the rubber mats that I have in here. There you go. Just like that. And that's what it looks like. Just like that. Matter of fact, let's lock it into place here. There you go. So I have it set up to where it locks from coming all the way out. That's how I have it. I guess technically you could spin that around and have it locked so it doesn't go all the way back. But that's how I have it. And then if you want to load your water or whatever you have, it's literally just like that. And you could push it all the way back to the back of your tray, but then you just push it back like this. Boom. See how the magnet locks? Then you take your webbing with a D-ring, just lock it in place and push it off to the side. And then you put all the rest of your gear. If you have a bunch of other gear, you can put all right here, just like that. Man, I love this thing, man. That is nice. Close it up, drive home. When you get home, you're in your garage. Now, say you're on an incline, your driveway is slightly inclined, and you're worried about the tray actually sliding out of your truck. Well, that's what these locking bars do. If you have the locking bars installed the way I have them, when you pull it and gravity starts to take hold of your tray, it should stop right there. See that? It should stop if you're on an incline. If for whatever reason you can't reach your bottled water or whatever gear you have back there, you can actually hit the unlock it, and pull it even closer. So if you want to pull it even closer, now you can grab your water from here. Just like that. That's nice. So it's not locked in. You can move it around. Again, if you want to load it up, push it all the way to the back of the trunk tray wall. There you go. Now push it back. Just like that. Load it up some more. Once it's all loaded up, push it all the way to the back till the magnet engages. Boom. Magnet engaged, locks engaged, put your webbing in. Load the rest of your gear right here. And that is it. All right, guys, so there you have it. That is my review of the Truncktray by Truncktray.com. Again, special thanks to the guys at Truncktray.com for sending this out to me for review. So there you go, guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, please hit that like button to support my channel. I appreciate it. Helps me out a lot. Ring the bell to be notified when I upload new videos, and leave a comment below. Let me know what you think about the Truncktray by Truncktray.com. Thanks a lot, guys. Take care.